All right, hi writers. So hopefully by now you've been working long and writing long and strong for about 15 minutes or so. So I just want to pop in and grab your attention here. When we're in the classroom, usually right about now is when some of you start to say like, Mrs. Partika, Mrs. Danino, Mrs. Lucas, like, I'm done, okay? But writers have a saying, when you're done, you've just begun. Okay, go ahead and say that with me. When you're done, you've just begun, because you guys are great writers and you have such amazing stories to tell. So one thing writers do when they're done is they think, what's another story that I've experienced? Maybe another story that's happened in the same place or in a different place with the same person or even with a different person. They think, how did it start? What happened first? And then they write another story. So how many of you after those 15 minutes are kind of feeling like you're done or almost done with today's entry? I'm sure a lot of you are at home saying that right now. So right now, I just want you to think for a minute and then tell me, I'm gonna pretend to listen, what it is you're gonna write next. Go ahead. Those all sound like such great ideas, okay? I want you to take that now and you're gonna go add that into your writing in the next few minutes. Awesome. When you're done with that, you've got one other task today. I want you to think about when you feel like you're running out of gas as a writer, what do you do to keep going? And you'll see at the bottom of your writing slide, there's a link to a question where you're going to share that, and we're going to talk about that more the next time we're together. All right, go ahead and add some more to those stories, writers, and I look forward to seeing you soon.